Hi everyone, welcome back to Henry Dance Tutorials. Today we're going to be learning Hit Them by Meow. This song, it was amazing when I saw the performance video because it is so powerful, so strong, a lot of cardio, but don't worry, we're going to break everything down slowly. Let's get started. So today we're going to be learning the chorus of Hit Them by Meow, specifically the second chorus because I found that one a little bit more interesting and there is some really cool hand gesture movements. So we'll be starting 1-8 count before the chorus because there are some really cool counting moves before the chorus. And I'll be jumping between lyrics and counts because in this song, sometimes it's easier to follow the lyrics. So we will start at 5, 6, 7, 8 in this position with your fist on your waist or on your hip bones. And it doesn't matter if you have your weight shift to one side because we're going to shift it to the right at 1. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll be singing Take a Shot. This is the first one. You point 2 fingers to the right with your right hand. And then when she sings Take a Shot again, you're going to point your right hand toward the left. At the same time, you don't shift your weight to the left. You actually make it more of a neutral reset like this. So let's do it slowly from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take a shot, look to the right. Take a shot, look to the left. After this, she's gonna sing, from here, you have both fists point at the left and pull yourself to the left with your head tilted like this. This is also at the count of 4. And then there will be 4 counts of counting down from 5, 4, 3, 2. From here, we're gonna have a right hand open up at 5. 4, you're gonna rotate your right hand and show 4. 3, you rotate it again to show 3, and then 2. From here, we're also gonna pull our right hand backward towards back to your right shoulder, and imagine yourself doing like a pulling of a bow and arrow kind of situation. This is 5, 4, 3. You don't pull your hand all the way to your neck kind of position yet until 2, you look up. So let's do it one more time slowly. This is, from here, this is 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, look up. This intro is actually a little bit more complicated, so let's do it one more time from the top slowly. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, take a shot. Take a shot. We're gonna 5, 4, 3, 2. So after going 5, 4, 3, 2, from here, this is when the chorus actually starts, and this is gonna be really high energy. So you're gonna jump open your feet and go lower with both fists pumping up. So you're gonna punch upward with both hands and your head tilt to the left. So after 2, you're gonna go 1. I know it's confusing, but after she counts 2, this is 1. When you do the hit with your fist upward, you're going to actually tilt your hip back and up. So you're going to go boom. You arch your back at 1, 2. Let's do it one more time slowly from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. If you follow the lyrics of this part, it goes like this. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, I'll let you. This part is I'll let you go first. So when she sings go first, you have your left finger point up and your right fist in front of your chest, ready to kind of hit your chest. I don't want to hit my mic. And when you are doing these moves, I believe they are constantly doing that arching back movement just to make it more dynamic and dramatic. So this is ta 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 ta. So there's still a little bit of an arch to make it more interesting instead of just staying like this solid. So this is I'll let you go first. When she sings I'll do, you are going to hit your chest twice with your right hand. I'll do, and then she'll be singing worse. And you're going to pull your right elbow out and your left arm out to open up your chest like this. At the same time, you're gonna land with your right foot in the middle. So jump up from here and put your right foot in the center. So this is I'll do worse. Let's do it one more time, slowly from I'll let. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll let you go first. I'll do worse. So after doing I'll do worse, you're gonna put your feet together and have your left hand resting on the side of your thigh and have your head tilt to the front this time because you're gonna rotate your right hand 4 times like this, or right fist 4 times when she sings hit 'em where, hit 'em where. So hit 'em where, hit 'em where. When she sings hit 'em where, that's twice or 2 rotations. So hit 'em where, hit 'em where. You can see that my chest is also doing this drop. So you are sinking your chest for once, like every time when she sings that lyrics. So going hit 'em where, hit 'em where. This is a little bit more complicated. I know if you cannot do the chest at the same time, just go hit 'em where, hit 'em where. It's just fine. So the focus, the accent is going to go down, down. So da, 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 da. Hit 'em where, hit 'em where. After going hit 'em where, hit 'em where, this is where you want to completely fold your body in half with your core dropping and picking up your left leg like this at the same time. So hit 'em where it hurts. It's really hard to balance slowly. So this is hit 'em where it hurts. So you're gonna look with your head tilt to the right, with your left leg kicking out straight like this, with your foot flexing, and your left and right hand to the side of your body like this. So this is where all the power comes in. So ta 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 boom. Let's do it one more time, slowly from I'll do worse, hit 'em where it hurts. Let's do everything slowly from the top of the chorus. We're gonna go 5, 4, 3, 2. I'll let you go first. I'll do worse, hit 'em where it hurts. So after doing hit 'em where it hurts, you're gonna go left, right, left, right. That is when they are singing leave you in the dirt ta. So from here, this is hit them where it hurts, leave you in the dirt ta. When you are doing the first left foot step to the front after hit them where it hurt, you're going to have your hands in blades and flicking them to the front like this, like ta. This is ta, ta. So left, right. At the same time, you're going to arch your back again every time when you flick your hands to the front. So tap, tap. You can keep your head tilted and kind of closer to the left shoulder and not doing like tap, tap like this. Just do it tap, tap. Keep your head to the back. So left, right. So after leave you in the dirt, you're going to step with your left foot and use your right hand and pretend that you are brushing the floor. You can actually brush it or not. It doesn't really matter. So pretend that you're brushing the floor because they're singing leave you in the dirt, right? And you should have your head kind of facing down already, or your face facing down already, because this part is going to be a hairography where they are going to fix their hair by pulling it up like this or swing the hair to the back when you are stepping with your right. So this is going to be leave you in the dirt. I don't have long hair, but you get what I mean, because your hair is down, you flick it to the back. So after hit them where it hurt, leave you in the dirt. So after doing leave you in the dirt, you're going to step with your right and fix your hair and put them to the back, right? This is put when they sing put in work. So this is a little bit more complicated. From here, this is leave you in the dirt. You're going to go put. Put is when you flick your hair to the back, and then you're going to rotate your arms clockwise. This is a prep. This is put in work. You jump open with your arms up like this. After doing put in work, you're gonna lean to the left side and have your head kind of in front of your elbow. Like this is how they did it, and this is really cool because it's really weird that you put it right at your elbow. You want to put it behind, so you're opening up your chest a little bit this way and have your weight on your left foot like this with your heel tilt or twist to the front. This is when they sing hit them where, hit them where. Remember this, you're doing it again with the right arm, so it's going to be really tiring for the right arm. So this is tap, 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 tap. Again, same thing, 4 rotations clockwise. This is hit them where, hit them where. With your heel, twist, twist, twice. Hit them where, hit them where. Let's do it one more time slowly from leave you in the dirt. This is hit them where it hurts, leave you in the dirt, put in work, hit them where, hit them where. After the hit them where, you're back to kind of a neutral stand because you're going to shift everything to the right. And also your hip push to the right. This is hit them where it hurts. Let's do it one more time from leave you in the dirt. Hit them where it hurt, leave you in the dirt, put in work, hit them where it hurts. So after doing hit them where it hurts, the ending part is actually pretty cool, but not super complicated. You're doing a stretching movement with your right arm straight and your left arm pulling your right arm around like this. And at the same time, you're doing the pinky to thumb finger roll like this. So this is gonna be hit them where it hurts. This is 1, 2. You start the finger roll at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is hit them where it hurts, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can tell that my head is also doing a rotation just like my arm. And at the same time, you should be rotating your hip to the left. Same thing with your head, left and then to the right, like this. You can sink in a little bit and then come back up. So this is because there's no lyrics, they're just singing ah. So it's a little bit easier to follow counts. So this is hit them where it hurts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After going 5, 6, you're going to do 2 steps to change formation. I'm going to do just one single version with my right foot stepping and left foot together like this. So this is hurt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time from hit them where it hurts. This is hit them where it hurts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After going 7, 8, you're going to pick up your right knee and go down with your upper body like this, dropping your arms. So this is 7, 8. And because you're going to step back down with your right foot and have your hands besides your chest like this, this is 1. So this with count is 7, 8, and 1. With your fingers open like this, palm like this. Just stretch your hands because you're doing it 4 times. Let's do it one more time slowly at 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times with your hands beside your body going down. The hard part is at the same time you're lowering your legs or going down by bending your legs. So this is a little bit more of this kind of situation. From 7, 8 again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't really matter where you or which way you tilt your head. Some people, they were doing this. I think this is pretty cool, but of course you can go tap, 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 tap as well. After doing 1, 2, 3, 4, you're actually going to have your hands with your fingers pointing inward on your thighs and push your hip to the back left, and then to the right. This one, the really subtle addition they had was a push. So it's not like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it one more time from 7, 8, and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, push, 6. So remember that push, a sudden push like that to the back, left. So after doing 5, 6, you're gonna have your right thumb beside your lips like this. Imagine you are doing this, like pretending that you're fighting kind of movement, brushing your lips, but you just hold it here. This is 7. You want to twist your right heel and your right hip forward. Just hit it. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At 8, it's a freestyle sliding away, but it's gonna be cool if you can do something like throw with your right hand, boom, like that. Just pretend that you're trying to fight. So let's do it one more time from 7, 8, and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go back a little bit from hit them where it hurts. This is hit them where it hurts. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. We just finished learning the chorus of Hit Them by Meow. Now let's go from the very top, doing everything slowly by count at around 0.5x the speed. So this is 1/8 count before the chorus. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Take a shot. We're going 5, 4, 3, 2. I'll let you go first. I'll do worse. Hit them where it hurts. Leave you in the dirt. Put in work. Hit them where it hurts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit them where it hurts. That's it. We just finished learning the chorus of Hit Them by Meow. As I said before, this song is super strong, powerful, high energy. Definitely go check out the performance video because I was really impressed by not only the dance but also how they filmed it. It looks better than like a music video. I don't know why they call it a performance video. If you have any questions about this dance, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely focus on the power, the strength, but remember to stretch before you do this dance because this is not an easy dance. Also, please let me know if there's anything I can improve on this channel because this channel is still really new and your feedback and support are highly appreciated. If you have any songs that you want me to learn and teach into future videos, let me know down in the comment section below as well. Thank you so much once again for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next one.